Okay, so in this video, the other use of trigonometry in right angle triangles. We're given two sides and you have to find the angle. And in this case, the angle's marked with an X. And all we have to do is go through the same sort of process that we've done before. Step one is to label the sides. Well, we know where the X angle is. And so straight away we can name this longest side, which is the hypotenuse. And then the other side, the 3.4 centimeter, must be the adjacent side. Okay. So again, using SOHCAHTOA, what we have in this case is your phone's ringing. And what we have in this case is we have the adjacent side, which we've got, and we've got our hypotenuse. And again, just looking at that, we can see that this time it's going to be a cosine. Alright, so what do we do? The cosine of the angle, it's always to do with the angle, so sine, cos and tan are always connected with the angle. So the cosine of the angle, well, the angle is called x, must be the adjacent side, which is 3.4, over the hypotenuse, which is 5.2. Okay, so we know that the inverse of add is subtract, the inverse of multiply is divide, and so on. We know that we can expand brackets and factorize them, we can square root and we can square. Well, here we have the cosine of x, and we need to do the inverse of that. We need to get back to that x value. This will be the first time that you've seen it. We say that x is equal to arc cos. Alright, and that's simply the way of getting back to the angle to find out what that angle is. So it's arc cos. Now that's the official maths term for it, but on your calculator what you'll see is a cos minus 1. And how do you do that? Well, the cos button in the middle of your screen, you do the second cos. Let me do that again. Second cos, and you'll notice this cos minus 1. This is the notation on the calculators. Okay, this means arc cos. Alright, so what we simply do is we tap in cos minus 1, 3.4, divide by 5.2, and my cat's agreeing with all this. And we end up with 49.1677. So x equals 49.1677 ... Well, this is an angle, so let's say that the angle is 49 degrees. That's near enough. Or 49.2 you could have. Entirely up to you. Alright, it depends on the question. That's it. So we've gone through a series of steps again. The bit to remember on this one is arc cos. And as I say, on your calculator, this is cos minus 1. Okay, that's it, done.